Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're okay. I hope you've been sending your homeworks. I have been getting some of the homeworks that you have been sent late. As you know, if you're sending the homework late, you're not gonna have all the points. That's not something that we're gonna negotiate. You send in late, it says in there when I told you you're late with your homeworks, you're not gonna get all the points. So you can say goodbye to honor roll and all those things. And also last week your parents were a little aggravated by what I told them about the homeworks. And some of you were also aggravated. So I would appreciate that you remember that I'm your teacher and I'm not your relative, so you stop disrespecting me, because then I'm not gonna answer to your questions and to your doubts and to your stuff. Just clarifying that as always. Okay, so today and tomorrow I will give you a set of questions that you have to send on Friday. So hopefully we have a test on Friday. I hope that everybody sends it on Friday, and if not everybody sends it on Friday, then we're going to move it to Monday. Hopefully we're going to do it on Friday. But these questions should be done for Friday, okay? So we are going to start on chapter 6. So everybody go to chapter 6. And all the questions are going to be on chapter 6. We started reading chapter 6, section 1, 2, and 3 last week. You were supposed to read alone. And now you have to read 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 by yourself. You have to finish, I think it's 8 parts. You have to finish the whole chapter 6 by yourself so you can answer the questions that I will give. If you don't read it, it'll be very difficult for you to answer them. So remember that the dynamic of this, I tell you a question, you write it in cursive, and then with a pen. Some of you are not following instructions. I don't know what language should I tell you. Pen is the one that is not erasable, pen. And then cursive is the one that is super, it's this. That's cursive. And then the answer is in pencil and print. That is the other way. That is the erasable one with the letters from preschool. Okay, so today we are going to start. We are going to do questions till section 4 of chapter 6. Remember, you have to write the chapter and the section so you're not lost and you know where to find the answers. Send them by Friday. And I guess that's it. Let's start. Okay, so question number 1 from chapter from chapter 6. Question number 1. Okay. From chapter 6, section number 1. What is a draft? What is a draft, and why that made Terry and Andrew worried? From section number 1 on chapter 6. What is a draft, and why that made Andrew and Terry worried? Number 2. From chapter 6, question number 2. If you lost the question, go back in the video. Okay. When is Andrew's birthday? When is Andrew's birthday, and what does it mean that it comes in the lottery? When is Andrew's birthday, and what does it mean when it comes in the lottery? From chapter number 6, question number 3. From chapter number 6, section number 2, what is Alice's vision? This is super important. What is Alice's vision? From chapter number 6, section number 2, what is Alice's vision? That's going to be a long answer, so I hope at least I can see, like, I don't know, 60 words. Question number 4 from chapter 6, section number 3. Why do you think Terry is telling the truth in the questions? Why do you think Terry is telling the truth in the truth in the questions? Why do you think is that? Oh, remember that it's complete sentences, because some of you didn't send them complete. You just write Terry or the truth, and then that's incorrect. I'm not going to take it. You don't have the points. So write complete sentences. Terry tells the truth because yada, yada, yada. So what do you think? From chapter number 6, from chapter number 6, section number 3, why does Terry tells the truth in the questions? Question number 4 from section number from chapter 6, section number 3. Whose fault is that Andrew is going to war? Whose fault is that Andrew is going to war? Whose fault is that Andrew is going to war? From chapter number 6, section number 3. What does Callie show Terry? What does Callie show Terry? What does Callie show Terry? From chapter 6, section number 3. Why do you think Callie can hurt Terry? Why do you think Callie can hurt Terry? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From chapter number 4, section, no, from chapter number 6, section number 4. Why Terry such an special experiment now? Why Terry such an experiment, such an special experiment now? From chapter number 6, section number 4, why Terry such an special experiment now? Okay, then I'm gonna give you chapter section 5, 6, 7, and 8 in the next video. I'll see you tomorrow, guys.